Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 13, speed, distance and time. So let's start. First let me tell you what is speed. So speed is the distance traveled by a moving object in the unit of time. Here moving object, that means car, bus, truck, bike, etc. So these are moving object. Okay, these are moving objects. So speed is the distance traveled by a moving object in a unit time, and unit time is here 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour. Okay, example, you can see a bike can move at about 70 kilometer per hour, and this is here the speed of the bike. Okay, the speed of the bike, understood? So we can represent the speed like this, 70 kilometer per hour. Okay, now we express speed in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Generally we used to write the speed in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, the distance is measured in centimeter, meter or kilometer. We can measure the distance in centimeter, meter or kilometer. Okay, and time is measured in second, minutes or hour, where 1 second, 1 minute or 1 hour is unit time. Understood? 1 second, 1 minute or 1 hour is unit time. Okay, so speed is the distance traveled by a moving object in a unit time. That means in 1 second, in 1 minute, in 1 hour. Okay, now let's see the formula to find speed. So speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, then distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time, and time equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. So these are the formula you have to learn for solving the problem. Okay, now let's see the how to express speed in different units. Okay, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 60 minute is equal to 60 into 60 second. Okay, first we have speed from kilometer to meter per second. Now how to convert the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second? For this, multiply the speed, whatever speed is given, just multiply the speed by 1000 and divide by 60 into 60. Okay, 60 into 60, that means 3600 second. Okay, or directly multiply by 5 by 18. What we have to do when we want to convert speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply the speed by 1000 and divide by 60 into 60, or directly multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, so either we have to use this one or this one. So this is the easiest one, so we have to use this one. Okay, the same way, how to convert speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay, here we have to multiply the speed, whatever speed is there, that we have to multiply by 60 into 60 and we have to divide by 1000, or we have to multiply directly, we have to multiply by 18 by 5. So here also either we have to use this one or this one. So this one is the easiest one, so we have to use this one. Now I am going to show you the example and you try to understand the concept, how to convert the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second and the speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour. Now here you can see the example. To express speed in different units, express 54 km per hour into meter per second. Here we have the question, convert or express 54 km per hour into meter per second. So we have the speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the speed which is given here in kilometer per hour, and this we have to convert in meter per second. Okay, how to convert? Just now we have seen the form. We have seen the concept here. Directly multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, directly multiply by 5 by 18. So we are going to do that only. So 54 km per hour equal to 54 into 5 by 18. Just now I have shown you we have to multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, so 54, the speed is given, 54 into 5 by 18. Now reduce the term. 18 1 ja 18 and 18 3 ja 54. Okay, now what is left? 3 into 5. When we multiply, we'll get 15 meter per second. This is the answer. Okay, so this is how we have to convert the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Understood? The same way, express 75 meter per second into kilometer per hour. 75 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Here we have the speed in meter per second. You can see here 75 meter per second, and this we have to convert in kilometer per hour. Okay, now how to convert? We have seen here, we have to when we have to express or convert speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply by 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Okay, same way here we will multiply by 18 by 5. Okay, 75 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now reduce the term. 5 1 ja 5. Here also 5 1 ja 5. 2 left, 2 5 25. Now 5 5 ja 25. Okay, now here we have 15 into 18. Okay, when we multiply, we'll get 270 kilometer per hour. 270 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the answer. Understood? So this is how we can convert kilometer into meter per second, or meter per second into kilometer per hour. Now let's solve some examples and you try to understand the concept. Okay, so here we have the question number 1. If a bus travels 600 km in 12 hours, find its speed. If a bus travels 600 km in 12 hours, so we have here distance and time. Okay, what we have? Distance and time. What we have to find out? Speed. Okay, so distance travel equal to 600 km, which is mentioned here, and total time taken 12 hours, this also mentioned here. What we have to find out? We have to find out speed. So speed equal to distance by time. This is the formula. Okay, speed equal to distance by time. Now use the value. So distance we have 600 and time we have 12. Now reduce the term. 12 1 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. Okay, and this 0 give here, so we got 50. Understood? So the answer is 50 km per hour. Why kilometer per hour? Because here you can see 600 is given in kilometer and time is given in hour. That's why this is 50 km per hour. This is the answer. Okay, this is how we have to find out speed when we have distance and time. Okay, now let's see another question. A car cover a distance of 144 km in 2 hours. A car cover a distance of 144 km in 2 hours. Find its speed in meter per second. Find its speed in meter per second. Okay, so we have the distance here and time. We have to find out speed but in meter per second. Here you can see we have the data in kilometer and hour. Okay, so whatever speed we will get, that we will get in kilometer per hour, but that answer we have to convert in meter per second. Understood? Let's see how to solve this one. So we have distance travel equal to 144 km, total time taken 2 hours. So speed equal to distance by time. You know very well the formula to find speed. Now put the value there. 144 km, this is the distance, and 2 is time given. Okay, now reduce the term. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 2 ja 4. That means from here we got 72 km per hour. Okay, this is the speed we got, but this we got in kilometer per hour because the distance is given in kilometer and time is given in hour. Okay, that's why we got here in kilometer per hour. Now according to question, we have to convert this one in meter per second. Okay, so now you know very well how to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second by multiplying 18 by 5. Sorry, 5 by 18. Okay, now reduce the term. 18 1 ja 18, 18 4 ja 72. Okay, now what is left? 4 and 4 into 5. Now multiply. So from here we got 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Understood? This is the answer of this question. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this type of problem. Okay, now let's see another question. Usha walked a distance of 3.6 kilometer in 15 minutes. Okay, here also we have the distance. This is the distance and this is time, but time is given in minute. Okay, but time is given in minute and the distance we have in kilometer only. Okay, now what was her speed in kilometer per hour? Here also we have to find out the speed and that we have to find out in kilometer per hour. Okay, but here you can see we have the time in minutes. So first we have to convert this minute into hour. Okay, then only we'll get the answer in kilometer per hour. Okay, let's solve. So distance travel equal to 3.6 kilometer. Then total time taken equal to 15 minute. So 15 minute we can convert in hour by dividing by 60. So from here we'll get 0.25 hour. Okay, 0.25 hour. Okay, now we have to find out the speed. So speed equal to distance by time. Now use the value. So we have 3.6, this is the distance, divided by 0.25. 0.25. Okay, when we reduce the term, let me solve. 3.6 3.6 divided by 0.25. Okay, now when we remove this decimal point, for this we'll give 1 by 10 here. Okay, and for removing this decimal point we'll give 100 here by 1. Okay, so this one we can write like this: 6 into 100 and 25 into 10. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25. Okay, now we got here 36 into 2. So from here we'll get 72 by 5. Okay, now when we divide 72 by 5 we'll get 14.4 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this problem. Okay, understood? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.